Learn how to easily track and manage payments by salesperson in SYSPRO.
This tutorial will include the following: enabling AR payments run options, enabling a salesperson as a collector, adding a collector, and lastly, adding a collector run.
Welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're going to take a look at payments by salesperson in SYSPRO. So let's get started. We're going to start by going to setup, then we're going to go to setup options. Okay, I'm just going to maximize my screen. Okay, let's just close here. So we're going to start by going to preference, then we're going to go to financials, and we're going to select accounts receivable. And we're going to come all the way to payment run, and we're going to make sure that all these options are selected. Payments by salesperson, payments by geographic area, collector required, authorization required, allocate invoices to PD checks, PD check status required. Okay, then we're going to come to history, and we're going to select financials again, and we're going to go to accounts receivable again, and we're going to come to number of months to retain the history, and we're going to look for AR payment run detail, and we're going to make sure that is 12 for 12 months. Okay, as you can see, our save and exit button is not activated because these options were already selected. But if you're making any changes, remember to click the save and exit icon and then click OK. Remember, for these changes to be effective in SYSPRO, you have to exit SYSPRO, then log back in. And that is how you enable AR payments run options. We're going to start by going to accounts receivable. Then we're going to go to setup, and we're going to look for salesperson, and there we go. Okay, I'm just going to maximize my screen. So here we're going to enter the branch for the salesperson. Then we're going to tap off to enter the salesperson code. It's going to be 100. Then we're going to tap off. As you can see, the salesperson is Tony D. And what we want to do is now select salesperson is collector, and we're going to make sure that box is ticked, and we're going to click on the save icon. We're going to close this program, and that is how you enable a salesperson as a collector. We have realized that 80% of our viewers are not yet subscribed, so we are going to give you an opportunity to subscribe. Thank you for subscribing. Now let's continue with the tutorial. We're going to start by going to accounts receivable, then we're going to go to setup, and we're going to select AR collectors. Okay, I'm now going to add the collector's collector code, so to speak, so ML, and I'm going to then tap off to enter the description. So this collector is Milo Lawson. Okay, there we go. And I'm going to now click on the save icon, and I'm going to close the program. And that is how you add a collector. We're going to start by going to accounts receivable, then we're going to go to transaction processing, and we're going to look for AR collector run maintenance program. I'm going to click there. I'm just going to maximize my screen. On collector run, we're going to enter the collector run code we are creating. So we're going to then enter the number, and we're going to tap off. On collector, we're going to enter the collector code, AT, that's for Anthony Tan, and we're going to tap off. Then we're going to come all the way to banking details. So the date collection, that's fine. We're going to leave it as the default. Then here we're going to select our bank, and then we're going to tap off. We're going to now come here on the selection criteria. We're going to select all customers. However, on sales, we're going to select single, and we're going to enter our salesperson code. and that is for Sarah, and then we're going to tap off, and we're going to come all the way here to the area selection. Again, we're going to select single, and we're going to then enter in for the northern region, and we're going to tap off. Okay, after we have selected our options on the criteria, we're going to then select or click on load invoices. Okay, then we have our invoices for this collector run. Then we're going to click on the save icon, close this program, and that is how you add a collection run. We have reached the end of today's tutorial. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and comment which tutorials you'd like to see next. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of our uploads. Do connect with us on LinkedIn. The link is in the description below. Thank you for watching this tutorial.